In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Blender for PC or for Windows 10. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now all you need to do is to go to your web browser. Personally, I'm going to use Chrome browser. So I'm going to open Chrome. Then on the search engine, I'm going to search for Blender. So ensure that you choose the correct website. Blender.org. So click on it. So it will land you on this page. So as you can see, this is the Blender version as per recording of this video. So in order for you to download the version, you need to click on download button. Then it will bring you here on this page. So you need to identify your system requirement. You need to identify how many bit is your operating system. So there are also some other version for you to download here. We have Windows, we have Mac OS and Linux. So you need to identify your operating system. Now once you've done that, just click on download Blender. Then your download will start automatically. So if you click at the top there, you are going to see it is downloading. It is 345 MB, so it's going to take a little bit time. So I'm just going to wait until it finishes, then I'll catch up with you. As you can see guys, the download has just finished. Now I click on the file only once. Then this pop-up will come. Now what you need to do is to click on run. Then as you can see, it is preparing to install. Then once you are here, just click on next. Then you need to read this user license agreement. You need to know what you are signing up for. So click on accept, then next. Then here you just need to click on next, then install. As you can see guys, the installation has begun. Now it is going to take a little bit more time, so I will just wait for it to finish, then I will catch up with you. Then this Windows security pop-up will come up. You need to click on yes. Guys, the installation has just completed. Now you need to click on finish. So once you are done with that, you will just close this one. Then you will be able to see Blender on your desktop. But if you are unable to see it on your desktop, you will need to go to at the bottom there, click on search, then search for Blender. So it is right there. So just click on open. So as you can see, the Blender has already been launched, so you can go ahead and set up your Blender according to your preferences. So you just click continue. Then if you have any file, you can just open it. Then your file explorer will be open. So that's it guys. That's how you can simply download official Blender and install it. Now if you find value from this video, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.